Okay, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing?
Look at my hands!
Aslan, this is the kitchen. What are you doing?
Look at my hands! Oh god, I'm gonna fall.
What?
Hey guys! Hey guys, today I'm gonna be taking over my uncle's channel and showing you why he is a vegan kid, so yeah. And as my uncle would say, meal one, here we come. Just say I'm 9.
No, you're not 9 now.
Oh, come
No.
on. 9 in like 28 days.
You're not 9 yet, you're 8.
I'm 9 in 28 days.
You're not, Aslan, you're 8.
I'm 9 in 28 days.
You're not 9 yet.
Oh.
Yeah, so this one's gonna be taking over my channel today. We're just gonna be showing you what he would eat as a little vegan kid, a fussy vegan kid. Although I guess today's not really a regular day because usually he would be at school, but this is kind of how he would eat when he hangs out with his very cool uncle, stroke brother, stroke twin, stroke. Okay, so for breakfast we are whipping up a mixed berry banana peanut butter smoothie. So what are we putting in your smoothie?
Bananas, berries, strawberries.
Straws,
Straws.
bloobs,
Yeah.
tahini.
No!
Alright, so we're starting off with lots of frozen berries. Nice and squishy. Plop it in. Alright, in goes the banana, making Freely very proud.
Who's Freely?
You don't want to know. Tablespoon of flax, very important to get those omega-3s in. Speaking of healthy fats, a sprinkle of hemp seeds and a couple of spoons of powdered peanut butter. This is the one without sugar, it has stevia instead, so yeah. And some water. I'd usually actually use calcium fortified almond milk for him, but don't have any. And let's blend it up.
Tastes like berries.
Would tastes like berries?
Mm-hmm.
That's because it is berries.
10.
Aslan, stop slurping. People don't like slurping noises. Look, I'll show you how to drink it. See? Can't you hear yourself slurping? See?
You're not slurping.
When you watch the video, you'll see how loud your slurps are.
Okay. Can't hear anything.
Trust me, when you watch the video, you'll see how loud you're slurping. So rude. So when you're not here and you're at home, what do you eat on a school morning? Do you want to tell the people?
So I eat fruit, toasted Marmite and walnuts.
Toast and Marmite and walnuts and tahini.
No.
There are some foods he claims he doesn't like though, which to be honest, I'm not that happy about, so let's interrogate him. Alright, do you want to admit your sins? Do you want to tell them what you won't eat, even though I try my best?
Foods I don't like. Broccoli.
Which I make you eat every day anyway.
Yeah. Avocado. Hummus. Cake or ice cream, even if it's vegan.
Weirdo.
And...
Don't say it.
Tahini.
Don't say it.
Tahini.
It was at this point Miles decided to put Aslan up for sale on Amazon Prime. Anyone want this child for $20? This is not acceptable.
So for lunch, I'm whipping up some potatoes. Aslan is really big on white potatoes, which you know I don't like, and he doesn't like sweet potato, which is a crime. So I'm gonna make lots of just potato fries, white ones for him, sweet ones for me, and then lots of raw veggies with some healthy fats. He doesn't like avocado, well at least he claims he doesn't, but to be honest, he hasn't tried it in years. I know they say with babies you need to try, is it like they say if a baby doesn't like a certain food, you need to try it with them like 15 times. Trust me, I tried avocado with him like 4,000 times, and every time he spat it out, and every time I died a little bit inside. Yeah, he's actually really good with eating veggies, but like if I give him a mixed salad, he won't eat it, like with a dressing. He just loves raw veggies on their own, so you've got to work with what you've got, I guess. What else did I want to say? I don't know. Do you know what? I've got some white sweet potatoes. And if I take the skin off, he might not recognize that they're sweet. I'm gonna try and trick him. Alright, Aslan is playing in the garden. Obviously no nut butter taste test in this one because he's forbidden me. I was just eating this one from the jar and I wanted to show you which one it was. So I know I showed you different variations of this peanut butter in a couple of videos back. I think it was the salted caramel and the toffee apple one. This is just the plain one. That's the other thing about Aslan, like he loves salted peanuts. If I give him a bag of salted peanuts, he'll literally eat the whole thing. But peanut butter, apparently it's a no-no. Don't get it.
Hi guys, my name is Miles and all I do is eat peanut butter out of the jar.
Okay, so I've just whipped up a couple of salads. This is my big one, and I'm gonna dress that with tahini, flax, avocado, etc. Here is Aslan's little multivitamin fix. Like I said, he loves raw veggies, but if I gave him that like a salad with a dressing, he just wouldn't eat it. But as long as he eats his veggies, I'm happy. So he's just got a little bowl of carrot, celery, orange bell pepper, tomatoes, and walnuts, which I'm very happy that he loves. Yeah, and the reason I give him nuts with his veggies is because, like I said, he doesn't like dressings. And remember to absorb a lot of the fat soluble nutrients in your colourful and green veggies. You need the presence of fat. So I always give him either some walnuts or almonds with his veggies. And yeah. Ready for lunch?
No, I'm not hungry yet.
Not hungry yet?
No. Is lunch ready yet? Make sure to put the ketchup on the side, not all over the chips.
No, I'm gonna squirt it all over the chips.
No! What's this?
It's a normal potato.
No, it's a sweet potato.
No, it's a normal potato.
Take it.
You fusspot. What are you, a detective? Good fries?
Yeah. It's better than when I was 7 in your old house.
Oh, so my fry standards have gone up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you like to dunk it in some of that?
You dip your celery in that.
I'm going to dip my celery in that.
Every day. How disgusting to me can it be, and how nice can it be to him?
Look what I find. I come in this room and he's opened another box of cherry tomatoes and he's demolishing them. What are you eating for dinner, son?
Some wild rice, beans, chickpeas, and peas.
Did I put enough salt in for you?
No. So this is one of my favourite dinners. My mum makes it all the time, and I love peas, and I love rice, even though my uncle hates it.
Alright, so this is one of Aslan's favourite healthy dessert stroke snacks. Sour bears. You wouldn't let me do my nut butter taste test, but now we're doing a gummy bear taste test. Okay, so they're like fruit roll-ups.
I like yo-yos.
So you have these in your lunchbox, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so apparently Aslan has these in his lunchbox all the time. Speaking of lunchbox, yeah, the funniest thing happened, well, funny stroke frustrating.
It wasn't funny at all.
And typical thing happened at his school the other day. My sister, his mum, got a letter from the school because they were concerned that he had too much fruit in his lunchbox. He had 3 pieces of fruit, had like 1 apple and 2 small tangerines. I know you're already thinking what the actual Aslan, close your ears.
I heard that.
So his mum, my sister, remember he's my nephew, he's not my actual son, but you're kind of my son, aren't you?
Yeah.
Like an official letter from the deputy head at school, I think,
Yeah.
saying that they were concerned about the amount of natural sugar he was eating in fruit. You have no idea how angry my sister got. Like, if you think that I'm quite blunt and opinionated, you don't want to mess with his mum. I mean, 3 pieces of fruit. So obviously my sister, she went absolutely mad.
Wait a minute, hold up!
Like literally we had to like hold her back. She was about to turn up at the school gates in the morning and be like,
I know you better get out of my face! Out of my face! Out of my face!
fruit is the most nourishing thing for a child and he's not overeating on it. You don't know what my sister's like. She had to prove her point and take it to the next level. So just to take the, Aslan, cover your ears. Just to take the piss, the next day she literally put like 10 apples in his bag just to prove a point. Like obviously not to eat them all. Like I'm sorry, but you don't need a degree in nutrition to know that fruit is healthy and cheese strings and ham sandwiches are not.
Hi guys. Oh God! And as my uncle would say, meal one, here I come.
Here we come.
What's wrong with me? Okay guys, if you want me to take over my uncle's channel, please. Oh, what's wrong with me? And as my uncle would say, please leave a like.
No.
Oh God! I look like a bat. Hi guys, my name is Miles, and all I do is eat peanut butter straight out of the jar. And now I'm doing it, but it doesn't look like it.
Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. There are some things I didn't mention in this video, such as the supplements Aslan takes, etc. And I know some of you might have questions about that. You did on the last video, so I will leave a paragraph about the supplements and stuff that he takes in the description box so you can read that. So lots of love from both of us, and I'll see you very soon. Laters. Oh yeah, also, need to burp.
Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to ya with diamond like precision. Insatiable is what I envision. Can't